Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstance. And one card for your moon energies, guys. I will leave it here. And one special fortune cookie for you all today. So I will leave this card here. And Gemini, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal readings in Fiverr. So I'll be sharing her link. If you are interested, you can contact her, guys. Gemini. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, Gemini. We have 5 of swords, 10 of cups in reverse, page of wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are facing a lot of struggles. Maybe in your work you are working really hard, putting in a lot of efforts, but what you get may not be up to your expectation. So you may feel a little stressed, feel a little sad because your efforts have gone for a waste maybe, and you feel that all your hard work has not paid off. But you need to understand, Gemini, whatever efforts we do, and that too honest efforts, will never go for waste. So it will definitely come back multifold, guys. You need not worry. So the same way in this relationship, you are worried about this relationship, where things are going. Maybe you are trying to have a good bonding with this person, trying to be really friendly with them, trying to build that understanding. But whatever you do, there are certain things you are unable to change. Maybe you may have some arguments, some fights with this person, some misunderstanding may be there, and you may feel a little sad or stressed. And this person is someone who is a very impulsive person. They get really angry if you if they do not like the way you speak or maybe something. So their violent nature may also be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, guys. And you may feel really sad and stressed no matter how hard you are trying. You are trying to have a good relationship with this person, but it's really difficult the way things are going today. It's really difficult for both of you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We picked one card and it says 2 of wands in reverse. So maybe in your circumstances there may be some changes coming. For most of you, I see a surprise announcement. Maybe this person has some plans for you. Maybe they are planning to surprise you, and that may be the reason they were arguing, or they were trying to create a negative circumstance before that surprise. So some surprising announcements may come today, guys. Maybe they are planning to take you on a holiday trip, or maybe surprise dinner party. Something big is coming. Some big surprise is what I see, guys, for you all Gemini. So it may be your energy or their energy, and with these cards I feel that they love you and They want to impress you. That is the reason they are doing this, guys, Gemini. So for your career circumstances, let's see what is the card. We have 10 of Wands in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, you need to be really careful because there are people competing with you. There may be a lot of difficult circumstances you are facing today, lot of competition and a lot of things you need to do to maintain that work potential or be really successful, be on top of your game. So you must be really attentive, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for your moon energies today, Gemini, let's see what is the card. It says, don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, you may feel drawn to some activities. Maybe it may be something creative. So if you feel really passionate about something, maybe drawing, painting, singing, whatever it may be, you need to take that up, guys, and that is going to do you a lot of good. You will be able to think clearly, feel that calmness in your mind, and it is going to help you in your everyday life a lot, guys. And today maybe you need to think of your circumstances from a different point of view, from a different perspective, instead of seeing it through your personal lens. So when you see the bigger picture, you are going to make very beautiful decisions, whatever it may be, guys. And for some of you, Gemini, I see that maybe you are some friend of yours is ending this relationship with you. So, or maybe they are moving away to a different place of work, maybe. So some kind of move away of someone important is coming in your life today, guys, Gemini. And you are going to feel really happy, content, guys. And you need to think of your situation from everyone's point of view, maybe the people you have in your life. If you are making important decisions in your personal life, you must consider other people's ideas and other people's needs along with yours. That is going to help you today, guys, Gemini. So for your fortune cookie, we picked one card and it says commitment. A commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. So a good positive change, a beginning is coming in your life today, Gemini. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.